fields. I don't know what's on your mind, but I know that it's something about you and me. I'll stay here for as long as I can, through the storms and through the calm. When you smile at me, I slowly begin to realize that you are the one. I will sneak a note in your pocket, and I'll leave with your smile in my mind. Wherever we will end up, I will love it, 'cause you're mine, 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 mine. And you know I'll walk a million miles for you. You said summer will be over soon. Would you still like to hang around? When the clouds roll in and cover the moon, we'll manage to stand the ground. Without you, I'm an unleaf tree, cold, naked, lost in faith. What's an island without the sea? For you, I'll hold away. But I will sneak a note in your pocket, and I'll leave with your smile in my mind. Wherever we will end up, I will love it, 'cause you're mine, 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 mine.
Whenever I'm off to find a sunset, a flavor of a memory, whenever all the stars above are shining, and I know I'll never be alone. Wherever all my wishes may be heading, a part of us will never leave. Oh, wherever in the world you may be hiding, in a while I know you're coming home. Tonight I know you will be coming home. For every spoken word I wish for silence, for every storm I long for peace, for every step I'm taking there's a sidewalk, there's a road, a way to get to you,
Seryoso, Becca?
to get to you.
Oh my god.
Where's the
Where's Becca?
Becca?
Hey, Rusty, you want to go for a walk?